Good morning, Mayam Bukurumzari. Notice Undona Yukuningi Sandok Saba, News Analysis program that Toksho Mangangcha and Mayam Butaram Noksha Buluna, Nasigi Manipur Toliba, Tonganba, Todo Singi, Pau Sing Kanan with a studio of the election in Liberiba, Mingan Panjarabada, Posang Sonamani, Socio-Political Commentator, Pawumusu and Mutata Musari Pawung. Pawungasi Manipurgi, Huzi Lady Bus situation, Sida Toliba, Tonganba, Pam the Todo Sing, Asi Kara. Kogi tongan ba news channel sing pause sing da phone re ba si kogi May 2023 da gi sathar khebal lan asi ngasi ga thana tha tara taruk mapung phare mapung phara pu loina na hau kheba numit kharni si da yamna thajada ba kogi war film ama dauna yamna tamthiba ama dauna drone attack toruk tuna mioi kaya amagi punsi mioi nupi ama punsi pikhamna kheba loina na ngarang asi su masil maupa yauna mioi ahum amasu aso fanang han khreoja haiba yamna tamthiba siuma thodok ama tholok pasida oja kari hana thambini
Mangangcha aham da dum thachari notice under tv bu thodok hendoknam aina thachari malem na tabi punum sina kok nanjari Mangangcha ngasi Manipur haibasi kari thokni ngasi nungdang kari thokni haing kari thokni sakanam tamse tambangam de Manipur haibase akoi se hojik ki manungda karamba mioi na lengak puri kanana lengak ke mathakta achoba kanana puri kari thokani kanam tamasigi akhangba mi kanam ta leite adubu Manipur gi citizen ama oina Manipur gi praja ama oina Manipur ngak padi Manipur da leiba mi puna makki mai mathodangni Nasi Manipur demi la kuntra manga lei approximately sage kuntra manga siga ji thoi ba thodok ta particularly community ama chin kuki jo terrorist haiba group makoi gi unwanted activities na koina mokoi ba terrorist thon bani chin kuki jo da apha pha mi su yauri I bow my head to those officers and the gentlemen and the ladies. I don't squarely blame the entire community. But ngasi thoiba punamak legislatures, 10 MLAs including 2 ministers, makhoi sina tarukpa role sina thawai se yamna chai. Manipur ki situation is very unpredictable. Karam matam kari to even His Excellency Governor Raj Bhavan, including the head of the government, Chief Minister gi kulinga ki mako kuriba ma ki office tabo mai maim do bakar matam the drone tagani haibe se nobody knows Manipur government and the government of India. Whatever is happening, can I presume that some very mighty agencies is behind of this terrorists? Manipur it is in a conflict zone the thambire. There is a head of the government, there is a head of the state. Head of the government is not allowed to function independently what he is authorized. Can I ask the government of India? Nakoina pamim se karino. Nakoina sanari lila se karino. Akoi shagi kuntra mangal lebeda kuntra mother thotok kendok na chin kuki jo terrorists believed to be supported by the geopolitics ki maramda might be the America's hand, might be the Chinese ki hand, might be some other agencies or American Baptist Church Council and other group ki na to udana mo bi sakutla Manipur se machet thugai ge tori punamak ase Bharat Sarkar na koi masekari khalli Bharat Sarkar nakoi na mapa mapui oragan nakoi na hannu yengdaba. Who is Mr. Narendra Modi na haibida koi angang sin khangaroi ne Mr. Pradhan Mantri ji? Nang crore chamang nipu ni thoi gi mayam gi mapa mapi ni ne Mr. Narendra Modi ji nang bakuni shor dona lat pani ne. Nang na koi Manipuri ki history da Manipuri puari da nang sekuna Ram mahina lat pani ne. Nang shubi ishor dona lat pani ne adu mawong torisin punamus nang se ram di elector rabon uhenga dore ne who is responsible iske liye kaun zimmewari hai Bharat Sarkar aap jara jaban khule आप जरा बताइए, दुनिया के इस संसार को बताइए कि इस समाचार से आपके सामने मैं खड़ा हूं, इसके जवाब देने के लिए मैं तैयार हूं। आपको भगवान स्वरूप हम पूजा करते हैं, आपको धूप धुना से हम हमेशा आपका राम नाम जपते हैं। आप हमसे क्यों अलग थलग क्यों आप होने चाहते हैं? मणिपुर में ड्रोन, मणिपुर का आर्म फोर्सेस, मणिपुर के पैरामिलिट्री, मणिपुर में 355 आर्टिकल, क्या मजरा है आपका? व्हाट्स योर पॉलिसी एंड प्रोग्राम? जो हम आपको धार्मिक इंसान, धार्मिक का मतलब हम हिंदू या क्रिश्चियन या मुसलमान से मतलब नहीं, इंसान एक को एक परस्पर आपस में जो आपको भाईचारा रखते हैं उसी को हम बोलते हैं धार्मिक। आज तक मणिपुरी लोगों ने किसके ऊपर हमने गोली चलाई, किसको हमने अत्याचार की? भारत सरकार आप बताए हमें। हम भारत का नागरिक हम है, आप हमें धकेल दे रहे कोई हमें करी न कोई नहीं इंधोक पपा में से करी न कोई बू कोई भी टेररिस्ट होंगे खन भारत सरकार नमफूदा। वाई? किस लिए भारत सरकार? राज्यपाल जी, आपके बारे में हम चर्चा नहीं कर ही नहीं सकते, लेकिन आपका हम रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसको हम गुजारिश कर सकते हैं, प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं, अवगत करा सकते हैं। भारत के संविधान और अनुशासन के मुताबिक और हमारे राष्ट्रपति और गवर्नर के बारे में चर्चा नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन राष्ट्रपति जी आपके सामने हम कैसे जिए? हमारे लोग जो अभी कम से कम अभी 200-250 लोग आपको मरहूम हुए, जिन्होंने 60,000 70,000 का अपना घर को बेघर हुई, आपको भिक्षा मांग करके जी रहे हैं अपना स्वाधीन, एक मणिपुर स्वाधीन का एक राष्ट्र थे, एक देश थे। इस देश आज हम गुलाम क्यों बनाए भारत सरकार ने? ये राष्ट्रपति जी और आपका राज्यपाल जी, आप हमें बताइए हम कैसे जिए? अभी इम्फाल वेस्ट अभी का है राज्यपाल जी, आप भी उसी के पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर आता है, क्या आप सुरक्षित है राज्यपाल जी? हम चाहते कि भगवान करे आपको कुछ ना ऐसे तकलीफ हो, आपको कोई असुविधाएं हो, लेकिन कैदों तोड़ी पुनमक योर आर्मी, योर पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स, योर सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर और योर डीजीपी, योर चीफ मिनिस्टर क्या कर रहे हैं ये तो आप ही का मालूम, क्योंकि भारत सरकार में 355 आर्टिकल में उनको भारत मणिपुर सरकार का हाथ बंद करके उनको कैद करके रख दी। तो आप हमें बचाइए राष्ट्रपति जी और आपका राज्यपाल जी और सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर, हमें बचाइए आप। और आप भी जरा बचाने का अपने आप को जरा हिफाजत रखिएगा। किस वक्त ड्रोन आएंगे चिनको की, जो सबसे बड़ा हमारे जनप्रिय ग्रुप, उन्हीं का ड्रोन कब आएंगे, किसके ऊपर आएगा कोई बोल नहीं सकते हैं। तोड़ी पुनम से नुआईते मणिपुर मचेत तहन वो खोल में से भारत सरकार भारत तलिब मेनलैंड करी खल्ली खंगदे मंगांगचा अकोई स्वाधीन लेरंब निंग तमलिपा कम लेरंबनी अकोई भी नमफूद लोशन बीरे अको भी मिनाई जोनी सीजन बद्य हम कतई तैयार नहीं। भारत सरकार जिस तरह आप दिल्ली में हो, मणिपुर में भी हमें उस तरह हमें महसूस कराइए हमें जीने का। We want to live like you, as good as any one of you, like your Rajasthan, like your Gujarat, like your Dehradun, like your Delhi. What offense we have committed? अब कहिए भारत सरकार, कहिए हमारे कोई कहने में कोई गलत है? You come and arrest me any time, any moment. I am here. What you can do? You put me behind the bar, but you have no moral right that you cannot control this Chin cookie terrorists. People are getting killed. ये महिषासुर कौन है भारत सरकार? रावण कौन है महिषासुर? और रावण भारत सरकार बताइए आप, बीरेन सिंह है या चिनको की जो है या भारत सरकार? आप बताइए उसको। हाईवे कनानो लाली बसे हाईवे समदंग आई भारत सरकार दा हंगचगे, मणिपुर के लंगाक तई हंगचगे और सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर हंगचगे, अको ये राष्ट्र ये गवर्नर साहब राज्यपाल महोदय दस आई हंगचगे। इट्स माय प्रार्थना, आपसे कोई हमें गुजारिश नहीं, ये हमारी प्रार्थना है। आप क्या करवाने चाहते हैं मणिपुर को? किस दिशा में ले जाना चाहते हैं? हमें खून कराइए, खत्म कर दिए मणिपुरियों को, लेकिन इतिहास गवाह रहेगा कि आप महिषासुर होंगे भारत सरकार। हाई विषम थमजेगी
याम नुआइजे ओजा मखा तारकपदो जै खोगी होजि थोलेब इरांग असिगी मतंगदा खोगी सेंटर लेंगाक पेंदबसी माइकई कयादगी फोंदोनो होगी वाफम लेरे ओजा मरोइन हुजि स्टेट लेंगाक ता यावरिबा एमएलए सिंगी मरकता आरके इमोना Union Home Minister da ibe serol pishin duna khogi hoji hoji leiriba paramilitary forcing central forcing asi kumai gumna babo kumna yengduna leibagi mawong ama tawriba si pen da wafam phongdokpa ibe serol pishin khibaga loinana khogi MLA khogi hoji hoji Manipur lenga ki handak tanawna spokesperson oina khankhiba MLA 𝐍𝐄𝐖𝐒 ngarang asi khogi irang mafam duda paulo busatpa TV serial amagi reporter sokpadagi maduda ana bhangba satpada mahangnasu advisor hoji hoji leiriba advisor asina security advisor asina karamba pautak piribano haibasi samumna fogla haibna singba wafam sing phongdorokpa leire haiba tarwaja sigum koi center laingakta maikai kya dagi tongan tongan ba MLA sing minister sing imaraktagi sigum pendu wafam sing thamliba
Mangangcha MLAs minister sing nam nuaitaba phongdokpa lengak pairi ba miyoi sing or opposition ke group khangdi ama khangdi tawri punam ka to phai tawsanu adu kadai ba aduna mapung phagadagi MLAs punamak mayam punam nupa thokpatai nupa thoktrben ko oiroi don't become just MLA. It should be a meaningful MLA. You have to act like an MLA, member of Legislative Assembly. Nakoi biyam nakoi ab thaji, nakoi ko thadi, nakoi biyam nakoi ne suthak wang na thammi. But what's the contribution? Can you sacrifice your life like others? You have to come forward. As an army general, you have to behave like an army general, if not lieutenant general or major general role. Namai pare chapatawa. You don't have to sit in your own room. Madu statement pigi the nate. Adu oiro nang name this no name the lager drone thada durubani. Be careful, MLS. Manipur can say that don't depend on ministers, on the government. You all MLS, honorable member of Legislative Assembly in your you are not MLS, but you are honorable member of Legislative Assembly. We have high regard for you. She the ira thagarpa paper the kara tauba press conference tauruga madu other way you have to become army general. Nakoina langtheng noina hana noina Mangangcha kadamani. Hojiki matam the forget your status, what you are forgetting. Langtheng kadamani, namai pare chakadamani, whom you believe it. MLS and ministers and other people kana noitaje duri. You're head of the government. Bow Mukuna power look period than MLS the monetary Tajaru the gear. Delhi Chakana Adu meeting Tori, Mata Toring, she inauguration Tori. Don't come out in the TV. Don't come out in the paper, so it. You protect Manipur Han Kalune. Ayudi inauguration Torome, Ayudu functions. You better sit down. Come out, wait one arms ammunition. And you let us. Akoinitung Chake. Torisa Uredana. Drone Torisa, are you shaped? Honorable Chief Minister, His Excellency Governor, Honorable MLAs, are you safe? Then what protection you can give to the public? We don't want that kind of consolation. We do not want you. We want that leadership. When you were in Rome, be Roman. When you were to lead, you become as a general. Talk at them. Why what are Toba Kotpan, TV the show, Toba Koy, the Togudri Che Tagar, Delhi up Pusta Naya, Delhi no Koyu, Jane Jane, Aduna Halali Punamase. Maduna MLS Yampaji position, honorable member of Legislative Assembly. Akuyam Tagali, the Kadorigan Hudi. Napunsi no she was in a Huikiba. Ching Chak Jenbaga Taukra Jenbagi, Madure MLS Kitabak. No. You have to become a savior. You have to fight for us. You have to be our leader. Lan Changmatan Queen Hanachangadurmini, no LMG Parachangadurmini Noyana. Nako name the Lerga Miati Angel Lato the Tohanganum. Hospital Junga Pashakra P. Toganum. You become the leader of the armed forces. Akoi Mangchalune. Then only will you say, Manipur has a marang kang the jungle ras. Akoi has a jungly olabani. karam matam na kana sigani, karam matam na kana na hatkani, no one is assured. The MLAs or ministers who carry some officer, high official escort to score chapel. What security you need? When your people are getting killed, na koi security kari to duri ge 10, 20, 30, no security personal inabagyo. What necessity arises about you? When your people are being getting killed, when you cannot protect in your own area, you cannot provide it and you need only your security. Mamang di cepat, tung di cepat, mayam kanada show tori no. Nakoi kayam important uye. When you cannot protect your own state, how you claim that you are so important, so high people. Adun nukoi han mang chalo, akoi tung di chatke. Madota noi MLA nukoi kangani, minister nukoi kangani. Don't come up this with this statement or submission, haiba, kotpa, tauba, TV, shibu. Forget it. Manipur kallu. Haji Joradana, Impal West Peace Jode. Akoy area local MLAs and the ministers kari to widori kari kan hidori Manipur kan say the moy MLAs na kwen ngamoy praja akoy thok pataba praja akoy ni han akoy nan to MLA tungni ile chakdam ni MLA thok tra akoy mo chingdor kedam law sap no mang chalu haidana jadra mathang dan no ne to gudur to adam Manipur hai se paisa khre chaire to hura le chaire ga poche khre jentho ga ta noi gis no job no chu hatta noi nathamo se praja mo vote che to matham kha to olali ne adam Manipur hingan sai ba ta da khoi de hogdam ni MLA sa hogdam minister hogdam ni mai da moi pham le bi ja de nungdang moi ngak MLA na ngak kadam ni security na hogdam ni MLA nungdang chele ngak kadam ni nang area da jum mathon wang na le nang security mi kun thra le adun oiroi what for you need security MLA Noi kanai dusman no nate ne MLA de popular hoy kidabni popular mi he dur mai security leite Mahatma Gandhi bu mapu nomui par milising lakh ke chat ke na mapu prithvi ki makok to bo why you need security for show up mayam mamang da MLA me chali ai gari chabat ka nam to shor hon bajate shayad mi loi legi tum nai han chat the high the policy nate you come down from top to bottom haji matang da nungdang noi patrolling check the man MLA ne khoi miam for peoples you are the leader of the people Leader of the people of Nungnoi Chakshi Charo, the Nungdano Santri Togudam in Nakoina, then we'll presume that you love people and you are for the people and you'll work for the people. Hayam Tamjiki Aduna Manipur has a Purapuntum Tumna Lorabani, Jungli or Jungle Ras the Tarabani, Kanani Purkanai protection, Kanan Pigani, Kanai Mawa, Kanana Logani, Karim Tamangam De, Ishan Isarungak Panatrabadi, Aduna. MLA sing, minister sing na hairi wahi se kadai bhau tagani kari to bumon ngangani even government of Manipur bhau mukut punna thambiraga kari to gunes ke tamangam de ishor da khoramna natana chin ko ki jo haibe nongan bo ko khoram thorak punna tan ishor noine kanbiu noine khoibu kanbiu haibado adu khoram tan Manipur de hingba upai karim to leite we are totally insecure we do not have any trust on the government and also the central government have something thamjigi
yamna je uja huji Manipur da hingliba Manipuri khuding mak se safe oidre haibagi film doni uja jilai makha tarak bodo ja lakchani li wafam se khoi gi tongan ba se so organization sing na phungdok narak pa wafam sing haibadi khoi gi kokomi na thadrok pa serolom gi matung ina huji chatharak liba lan gi mawong asidi war crime am oire haiba wafam aduga loina na khoi gi muko gi nandoluwang na Pundo ke wafam da khoi hauji kuki narco terror sing na satharak liba landa se central government amadi state government na aya ba makhal gi lan ni haiba pundo pu wafam lai re loina na khoi gi drone si na duna landarak pa sina thengna bada aru fiam mama oire haiba taran kunifan suba air gi site gi phongdor pu wafam su lai re ja hairi ba siumba huji hana air na khangsina dana leirambadu ngasidi Kogi Kuki narco terror sing na drone si na duna chamjaraba miyam kaya ama da landarak pasi mukoi masana su kogi khangjabagi mami amadi tarak pu reuja sigumba koi air da misam na Kuki narco terror sing gi misam sangi mateng pangi haiba singba thajanaram thajadabi wafam kaya phongdona kebu lai khibadugi makha satharak boina air na sigum wafam phongdoro pusidadi kari hena thamini
yebio akoi Manipur se khwaidigi Afaw state ne civil society organizations mi lishing ama makai anirom leram gani mipum punamak chairman, mipum punamak president, mipum punamak kwai makok, ai kai makok oingam dirsu, hogdong makok oya, hogdong makok oingam dirsu, uchi makok oye. Asina ko ni tanari se nong anin witab, ai TV da talk ba, ai statement pi ba, ai mingse paper da form ba. Asito ba se, ako'y to ba lepsi? Kukumina makok oy na mayam puri, mayam jari. Government of India ka what is sanarak pa tanjada, ako'y group ising nga mamakay duga chat ka daban nati. Mizoram da chasi, young Mizo association have a group amalay. Nagaland da chasi, Nagaland NNPG have a group amalay. Mother association have a group amalay. Ako'y sa imalu pa sil yam da cham chani group le namani. Ako'y mayam simmer ta khanda bayati. Only one group adi makada may makachado. Koko Manipur, let us behind it. Manipur government ka wadi shanaba tanjada sa CSO ka matampuna magta government. Honorable Chief Minister Sibrian Haige, I fully endorse. Civil society organizations ka government ka chamine ka damni. Jaba tanjada chamine jadaba lepaki akai be thabak torba de CSO mode CSO na te. Makoy di government the rebellion government against thabak mode di ain gi matungina makoy bi action lobo jam. Adu CSO Asia mako masu mako adu mako adu yadi. Adu government of India khangiya ba. Oh Manipuri haiba sidi moi sidi sagai sidi amang amuti ne ba yadaba. Lup puna mo sa makan leiban ka su kai punte. Mi ke de lup amak khakte mako ko leide madi mayam je loni chamini. Akoi gin lup se makan jamani khomjen ba wa ba. Hoji ke matam da Koko Manipuri bane Koko Manipuri up to United Kingdom or akoi UN bahut chat na mon represent tori bane na makoi matung ni insi de Koko Manipuri mayam puna mas sagot pe ba khom ba khot ba moi ge mari mata am bhajan leiba khop se matam puna tobi ge dabni bar Manipur sarkar su CSO the mating pi ge dabni why not moi de paisa mari makhuta leiba nate paisa khaina ro chalamani after what for the government of Manipur? You are existing. CSOs means they are selfless, dedicated people. They are not underground. They are only to help to the government to restore peace and tranquility. Adi apavathaw kita mangta CSOs labor company. CSOs that supported by some element, some group. Adu adadri tongan khere. Government, you have your own record from the ADG intelligence or IG intelligence. You know better it. Adubu. Haji Koko Manipuri su makoi matung lakoi si insi lengak su makoi yara cham negatam ni Delhi da unabat tanjada makoi wadi shanabat tanjada makoi yagudam ni civil society organization mi mari manga chat ka minimum chakadam ni there has to be only one item one agenda under one umbrella under one leadership the chakadam ni masiyam darkar le man maduna akoi Manipur da CSO haiba tarabadi government na makan ge lana khan mesi jaw made chumi moi haido ati state di amaguma ani guma lerega maduna yam important ni chapane na government is yam ki Manipur da CSO kanam ta government ushit pi de manam di there are 1,000 groups ngasai gi hogdong me makok tai makok hudru sai uchi me makok oi gi haibe competition ma lai to boya de Manipur kandaba jate mayam pun pul ko komise ko me represent to holli to si moi matung in si lengang no si jeng bi batai hoji ke matam da se young Mizo associations kan other lady Mizoram da amakakta lei amakakta no hai ba se government of Mizoram holo ne tari Nagaland se lady NNPG haidana mosumai to the lady Assam da ko home gono pori khotlan moi me group om lady moi ne puri pak chaw de lady asumai lenga kan ba tar ta ji matam da pham jeng bi gno adom gi reng jeng bi gno adom ne jamna chawbi group to ai adui group ni adai group ni haido loin thadok pira khom ambat to in as early as possible thuna masi decision lakpham thoi ching cookie terrorists by any means in masi group se akoina achum masargu puthoga makhoi sibu tanthok taba makhoi sibu matik chana dandi pidr bau ai shiba yaroi ai shishu shining de shishu shiroi till my last breath achum masargu ai hairam gani adru Manipur lenga yamna wana lady yantabiu CSO su akhoi myam punsi khotsi akhoi disu akhoi chi noi tung inge noni tawribu do khoi apapun ko thagat chei adun khang ba tambiu patience lebiu lepa ke tamak tani tobiriba madu kathok pa habis mas koi shruk tele doi and government should not ignore the CSO. Government of India cannot sideline the Kokomi. Government of Manipur cannot sideline the 𝐶𝐄𝐲. 𝐶𝐄𝐲 represents the entire Manipur, except this this 𝐶𝐿 terrorists. Makoi the terrorists na makoi the group tongan gere. Adun Manipur se akoi mem punna gyan tamne mogi yam thun masam darkar lei lengak na haibe se akoi masi in the basunga yade na tor Manipur machen tagani Mangangcha haibe sam ta ino thamjege.
Mr. Yam Noise Maka Tarak Bodo Zai Laxan Lawfum say Quiggy Education Minister Basanta Kumana Fondo Ke by Quingarang Manipur Place Kapta All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju Amasung Manipur Place Cup ki Golden Jubilee Thorum Tabag Mari Lena Quiggy Minister Fondo Ke Wafum Sikoigi National Highway gi Ban Blockade Tingan Babin Putholagani Lunana Manipur gi Government gi Changlakhiba oja sing sada 70-80 di tolop khakti gi yenglaga changlakhiba oina tawi haiba wafam sing phongdokhiba leire oja haire wafam sidadi kariyana thambini
akari habiba mana
Manipur lenga ki oja sada marifu di thagi tolop khaktam yenglaga changlakhiba oina tawi haiba wafam phongdokhiba haitare oja
oh ta kanu gi ekoi journalist sing gi sorry ekoi journalist or ekoi gi media coverage sing gi incentive ki wani ne hai aside you are too late government. You were too little, too late. Media mi pun pun government employees na te aduri chommi noi tolo pibang amoy. Adi incentive high worth di Manipur tamungta shiba ki dana. I am happy. Manipur dali ba media ki representative oina land changi ba. Israel ga madi Lebanon ga adi Houthis ga mayam Iran ga tauniri punam lan na mukha tongan gre makoi na hai hana achuba lan akoi sina macha masu marak takaram de kadai digi whole community khara terrorist khara na torok panina masina khoina yam na one
Minister na phongdo ki wafam se Manipur gi lenga ki oina sanglak le boja sing ase koi gi sada marfu di tolop khakti gi yenglaga sanglak e haiba oja sing se
Oh, teacher ki wala. I'm sorry. Ai da koi media ki baat puro. Oja Singh ji. Chad marfu tolop jenga chang pone hai ba. Oh, masidi I'm sorry honorable minister. Ai lana lore. Ai beg apology. Mai lak tabaga khara siga kanto bana. Ai beg apology honorable minister. Modon lana. Ai media natya. Chume, he is right. Manipur the education muthat pase ayam oja na muthat pane. Oja ke daitya kanan logani bureaucrats, directorates, then the minister in charge. Mase mayam ge collective responsibility nus mamang decision Manipur the labor satra satri akoi kok jaw do banate yamna phabale subject to the schools to go oja is available oja lerekta dana mamang the honorable minister Radhesham Lermi one of my colleague one of my brother he was honorable minister mana bhokki inspection chal wutanjada school dabu jain lotion leramba Nganu Luciana Leramba, humming Luciana Leramba man inspection chapada headmaster Kadurigan and Torisi, sir, Satra Lak the Bagi Tamakta Tobunang, Satra Mam Kodran, Oja Mam Kada check motion Lakti. Young you, who is responsible, honorable education minister now? How this entire chain, entire system is completely failed? Manipur the education fail holy say government ke school fail holy say government you are solely responsible oja me am tolob jenga changak pase tolob se tangkhai jenabi Nagaland lag football ground manang de jum bhara toruga phi jona legani Shillong the lakni Shillong the police bajar da kugi more di phi pora kargiri purga Shillong ji nungdin ayuk chakra nongala thungi thamanga taruk ada dukan phamma laithokani Adudi Kanano, school inspector Kanano, deputy inspector school Kanano, then director Kanano, additional director Kanano, your deputy director Kanano, then your secretary Kanano. Is the bureaucrats only to sit only in the ivory tower? Is he not his responsible? Then who is the education minister? Then are you also not to be blamed? Must chain MLA, local MLA, no should involve Toribani. Nangi area the local MLA school nama function tawdre public school na loina my masa school the loina government school loina failure local MLA you are also solely responsible. You are the chief minister local MLA of your area. Nangi area the school goja lagta ba doctor laktaba, nurses laktaba, ati PhD department laktaba, ati works in housing me laktaba, ati department laktaba. You are the chief minister of that area, honorable MLA of that area. Is it not your imperative duty that you complain it and you submit a written complaint? I area the doctor si lagte, si engineer lagte, si PhD si lagte, works and housing department si lagte, si taute. So why not you submit report? How many MLAs you submitted your report in this manner? Na koi si jaw na jaw bra hai bisa koi ching nahi. Education mutat pa, government mutat pa nahi, government school, government tainaganu, only ojasina tainaganu. You cannot take action. Why? You are also colluded. If I were, I will take action and I will finish their career. Do you have any guts, that minister or that MLS or that officer? Thadanugi Lubalising Manga Tilidino in the Punsicho the Yare, Modi School Ojadu, Udanoy and Hagol Kanidanoy, officer Noy Key, then Pashar Lodi Vanina, School Mutapan Nakoni Mutapani, Education Mutapan Nakoni Mutapani, Education Department. You cannot control, there is no such kind of a restriction or the suitable action lobangam the way to Tobani. Aduna private schools in Kakali, Tammi, Akoi Satra, Pabungatani. Manipur the by and large something with the Manipur macha se kok leibani atu proper education phangdaba ngasi NASC o na kon ke toris khan namti jingbu school kaya college ka lingal. Why? There was one small school ngasi the college schools boarding so world class ke tumna pori government of Manipur na koi to paisa ki kari problem leyene crore kya changi government of India ne piri ne adi crore singdu banand shi na amu chakre ar na amu jum sabr changre o na amu khaidokre adi ar sa amu khaidokre e sho banu khaidokre s khaidokre the kari ultimately zero aduni education patta banya. I should be very clean from my home, then I can control my children. Education minister, it is up to you. System just changed. You need to work. Sometimes you may be asked to resign from that. You resign it. But it needs the entire setup is to completely change it. Natar Manipur the education kadagursa government school college the chakar pasungam ngamoy Manipur macha kok leibani ko manghan badi akoi gi system akoi due to lack of the proper akoi organizations and the proper supervision what badi akoi shoy bani habis thamjige
hoja loshilak basi doja lakchani wafam sikhoi gi Almighty Council na thadrok paselom ge matungina ko gi biren gi mahut atop leader amana sindok pone Manipur pibam phagalakani amasung peace lagan bada hena kudung sagani haibu wafam sing phungdo khibu leiroja hai wafam sida de kari haina ko Almighty Council na phungdo wafam sida kari haina thambini ga
Mangangcha Almighty Council ko group asi kadai de lei kai to he ai karim te khangde Almighty Council ko group am way back chi mangai mamangda Ayjum the Nupamala, Hegrujam Ginavasam Kobama, along with the former Honorable MLA R.K. Anand and Yam Luna Tojaba. Ayumaru, an Honorable MLA, he is a very high profile R.K. Anand. Ayjum the Laktana, Hajiki Hegrujam Navasam Kubunupasar, and with the Kong Pine Koram me. I am here to give reply today. What is World Mete Council? Have with the Kangjaba? I said no. Ay anaba meaning ngamoy chalu yade Bungkam pungama pungni sujalapadu Arkanan sab. I salute you, sir. You are my younger brother, but because of your amiable in nature, adumgi behavior, adumgi the way of your address is really excellent. I salute you. Ay adumbi yam ikaknu ucheri adum wam tahibiram de. This Hayrujum Navasam go no pasala, no corum na haibadi pung amani chalu yadu de no pilot and pagatan sukarajarum, the World Mete Council angakpal dramatoi, other the World Council a hieroi. Machet tadana kaduri kulmas moi masene, 80 yaw the bokuire, chehi mari manga surabunina. A machitokane de kangi. Ad Hotel Tori say, whatever Mr. Hayrujum Navasam, who is he, I am not concerned. Ma World Mete Council chairman ra kanano oiri ke the khangde there are so many factions, let them fight, let them do. Miti, let them fight, and let us fight and let us kill ourselves. That is called World Meteor Council Tamuna Koishu. Ama Kakang de Haigi. Any civil society organization, Akoi Mas Hajuki Matamda, Akoi Manipur Linga Kimaramda against the Ngangba, I will be totally against that civil society organization. Chin Kuki Jo terrorists na have the Haning to Haisanu. Rather than the Chin Kuki Jo terrorists, not than any other civil society organizations, the Manipur government. Manipur will lay up. I do not know Mr. Biren so close, but he is Honorable Chief Minister for everybody. Honorable Chief Minister Amada condemned Tawa Mapu Loto Mapu Hapu, who the hell these people are asking? What authority you have? How far you are clean? Hai Ribamio Hangi Binakoi, I Hangi Sini. Don't misadventure. You look yourself in the mirror, how clean you are. Hojiki matamda akoi lenga ke makokta kanang na khudum midumai thingat paji jaroy. Tobunga moy. And be careful yourself. Anybody. He is our Chief Minister. Nakoi kari pami World Meteor Council. What authority you have that you have asked the Prime Minister, who is Prime Minister and who is the World Meteor Council Chairman? No, Kanano, Manipur Chief Minister Lokthok, how dare you say it like that? Ati Sagino Uram Tardir, I would have jumped. Togunu, you are World Meteor Council, how many of you, how many groups? I am not concerned. Manipur the Libiri Punamak, I could Hangchaki Ahambada, Pali Sarkar, the Masi Wari Punamasakuna Sogot Panatana, Karigi Mai Manam the Karingang Dori, Karingang Hum Tui, Karinukoni Togrege. Akui may mot mananali do na Bharat Sarkar gal lalhoba group siga group ani siga thegnaga do natana group amanaka World Meteor Council ka ina haijan na khochen na tawraga tawdana Manipur Chief Minister Lokthok kaisa, how dare you say it? What authority you have? Togunu adu pateko togunu. Be a gentle. We know that World Meteor Council, so many groups are there. No nawa log de khon kanansu. Togunu, no machine, the Kayam Kedori, a tunning day. You are just a mere man. How did you say that the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister be removed, Mr. Biren Singh Haidana? Don't say, don't give comments such kind of an unbecoming words. Togunu, this is a very cautioning word to you, we people. I don't belong to any particular, society or any group. I am a citizen of Manipur who really concerned. I can sacrifice my life, but don't ruin the Manipur community and don't blame the Manipur head of the government. Any section of people, Togunu, Gyantao. Atungumba wahi wata irresponsible way, irresponsible way. No konika statement people that don't give. You look yourself what you are. So this is a cautioning word from the senior citizen, any group, Togunu. Lingak po sagut kadamni, achum mamayin haibatagadamni, who is Biren Singh? Is he not the Chief Minister? Is he not the living God for us? Meti mayam gitamuk tamasi isho natra hajiman wari punamasako shogoloidro. Shogolmam thoktra. How did you dare that you give a statement against the Chief Minister that he should be withdrawn? You should know that what is your position today. Togunu. Don't be childish. Don't behave like that. You are simply writing this thing. That who bothers? People knows this, the World Meteor Council. You have been fragmented in many groups. Nobody bother you. Togunu, this is my advice. And particularly, Hagrujum Nabasam, remember it. Nang natrejum the lakna, nang ayuda kong pan kolamuddo, have you forgotten? Nangi tumuda sacrifice to na ina kaya masami Chief Minister mapam punam the poor nang mani shogol mapunamuto nang kaubra. At least you should know it. Who took you around the India, and for you I sacrificed at least 1 year, although I was a sick man. Atubu nang yapapade kanim hairoi. But there's a World Meteor Council ki so-called the chairman no group anihum toy. Don't blame Chief Minister and you should not misadventure asking the government of India that Mr. Biren Singh to be removed. Look yourself in the mirror, what you are. and how you have said it, you should seek apology in front of everybody and to the government. Okay, togumsi, this is it. Min-minded what togunuko. This is my advice to you. Nang na lagpadu mong din highway wani. Don't behave like this. Highway sino tamjege.
Yam nuwaijay oja. Ngasi ojagi sillaba matam kaya kaithokpidana asigi program asibu mapung phanbinabudamukta ling kugi studio da matam sana lingbirakpidamukta thagap phondoksari oja mading asigi program asibu hobudagi hujik loi fau yengbire pumno pu amroi budamukhanna kurumjari.